Welcome to Practice Set 5. Here I am giving you some questions to solve. Try yourself based on what I taught you earlier. If you want a solution to this too, write me to the comment of the video. I wrote questions from across the web to give you more relevant exercise so that it might help you to clarify your concept. The first question is, check if the list contains an element Python. Here is the list. Okay. And next question is, how to iterate over two or more than two lists at the same time. Here is the two lists. Our next question is, when to use list and when to use dictionary. Okay. Our next question is, what are the advantages of using sets instead of list? Okay. Our next question is, what are the use of tuple and list? When to use them? Okay. Our next question is, how to do string slicing and reverse string? Okay. Our next question is, find the sum of all the numbers in the list. Here is the list. Our next question is, sort list element in the ascending and descending order. Here is the list. Our next question is, can we use the sort function when we have mixed data types in a list? Here is the list. Our next question is, when to use sort and when to use sorted? What is the purpose of both? Our next question is, when to use for loop and when to use while loop. Our next question is, select only prime numbers from the list and print the new list with only prime numbers. Here is the list. Our next question is, on the basis of marks obtained in Common Eligibility Test, you will be allotted a course for further studies. Here is some details. Total marks is 100 and minimum score is above 40 to crack the exam. Okay. And here is the three parameters. If you have scored above 90, then you will be allotted to choose either medical or engineering. And the next is, if you have scored above 70 up to 90, then you will be allotted to choose either business studies or commerce. And the next condition is, if you have scored above 40 up to 70, then you will be allotted to choose either political science or humanities. Okay. Our next question is, draw a diamond pattern as shown below. Here is the pattern. Our next question is, does the list element start with vowels? If yes, print only those elements. Here is the vowels which we have to look out, and here is the list from which we have to find out. Okay. Our next question is, what is the benefit of using else statement with while loop? Our next question is, when do we use break statement and when a continue statement? Okay. Our next question is, print a 23 times table. Okay. Our next question is, print a number as many times as the value of that number using a while loop. Print it from 1 to 9. Here is the example how we have to print 1 for 1 times, 2 for 2 times, 3 for 3 times, and so on up to 9. Our last question is, turn the two lists into one dictionary and print it. Here are the two lists. X and Y both contains one list each. Okay. So you have to solve these questions by yourself. If you are struggling with any question, then let me know in the comment. I will definitely help you. इस ट्यूटोरियल में इतना ही. If you have any questions or query, please let me know in the comment. I will definitely help you. अगर आपको मेरी ट्यूटोरियल पसंद आ रही है तो वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर जरूर करें. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन, बाय बाय.